And not only is this the hottest day of the year so far with record highs in areas of North Dakota, some hitting triple digits, it's also Christmas in July. Santa took a vacation to Raging Rivers in Mandan on this hottest day of summer so far. Well, that's where Taylor Rawson is now. Hello, Taylor.
Yes, hi Joel. We are out here live at Mandan, Raging Rivers, and with me I have Tyra, and it's a hot day out here to Tyra. We have some kids, happy, excited kids behind us. Can you tell me some of the festivities that you guys have happening here today?
Yeah, so today is Christmas in July, so we had discounted admission for people who brought in non-perishable food items. We were also playing Christmas music. All my staff were able to dress up. It was just a really fun day.
So was Santa able to make it out in the heat today?
Santa did not make it out in the heat today, but we did have an elf roaming around the park, and he was doing giveaways and people won prizes, so that was fun.
That's awesome, and it's a hot one out here today. Have you seen quite a few fun families having trying to cool off out here anyway?
Yeah, no, it's been a really great day. This is one of the busiest days of the season that we've had so far.
Yeah, it's been busy out here. Clearly there's some kids behind us having a lot of fun. It's about, I would say, like 95 degrees out here right now. Finding ways to beat heat. Are there other things that people can come to here that maybe not just wanting to cool off in the pool? Do you guys have concessions or anything like that?
Yeah, so obviously we have all the pool, the slides, lazy river, and then we have concessions, and that's a great way. People love our concessions, so.
Perfect. And talking about Christmas in July today, and if people didn't make it out this evening, are there other ways that they can come donate and maybe give to this food drive for you guys?
Yeah, so we'll still take donations for the next week. So if people want to drop any food by, we're willing to take it, and then we'll donate that for them.
Perfect. And why would you say something like this is important for the community, not only on days like today, you're talking about beating the heat, but also bringing people in for a good cause? Why would you say something like this is important for the community?
Yeah, I think it's important for us to give back to our community. It's just one small thing that we can do to kind of help a local nonprofit get some food for their food pantry.
Perfect. Yes, wonderful. Is there anything else that you want to talk about today? Maybe hours that you guys are open until for the week?
Yeah, so this week we're open noon to 8 daily. The last day of our season is August 18th, which is quickly approaching. So I definitely recommend people start getting in here soon.
Yes, for sure. And if they wanted to sign up for next year's Pool Pass, can they find you guys online or somewhere?
Yep, so you can find us at RagingRiversWaterPark.com, and that'll post everything for future seasons as well as our hours for the rest of the season.
Perfect. And I just want to let these kids say hi really quick, guys. There we go, Joel. We are going to send it back to you in the studio. We're out here in the pool, Joel. You nerd. We're in the studio.
Those kids have been patiently waiting 5 minutes just to do that. Taylor, thank you so much.